Hi my loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will going to channel random messages from spirits. Okay, so before tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform like IG account. And if you feel resonated with my energy, we have merchandise or crafts available in Shopee and TikTok shop. So let's see the energy first. This is reading from spirits. Let's see the energy first. Okay, so spirits, convictions. Ooh. Okay. So right now, there is a burden. I feel the suffering for my collectives. Okay. And it is because of the Reaper card and the Cross card. Okay. So I feel the conviction suffering. Meron ditong energy na suffering. And also, I also feel na that is because of I see here the personal conviction. Okay, so conviction, suffering, and burden. And when we see this cross, this is sabihin natin na it is become a source of suffering. This is become the source of suffering and burden to themselves as well. Okay, I also feel in this card, this cross card is, sabihin natin, it is too heavy burden. Ito ay nangyari during your workplace. During your workplace. I also see some of my collectives involved with 3 gossipers. Because of this. May 3 birds dito and also here. I also feel na they are involved in 3 gossipers. And look, the cross and the Reaper almost the same. The cross and the Reaper are almost the same. Same vibe, same crown. And isa ang mensahe dito eh. This is burden, heavy burden. And this is because of, sabihin natin, your personal, I feel the personal suffering because you are sabihin natin you are currently having a hard time with your workplace. Okay, some of my collectives are having a hard time with their workplace. And also personal conviction. I also feel na some of you are may alam na katotohanan eh. May alam na katotohanan. But yung katotohanan to, kumbaga with these 3 birds, with these gossipers, kumbaga parang ikaw yung sa sitwasyon, ikaw yung nabaliktad kahit alam mo kung ano yung katotohanan. Kahit na sabihin nating malinaw na malinaw yung katotohanan, I feel the gaslighting here. Okay? You are a victim of gaslighting. And, yun nga, nagiging burden and suffering to sa'yo. Kumbaga, nawawalan ka ng gana when it comes to work, when it comes to, sabihin natin, yung magpursige sa yung career. Parang hindi ka excited. So, nandun din yung energy na parang hindi ka excited pumasok sa work. Okay? And, that is, that's why the Reaper card here appears here. Because, immediately, they are giving us warning. Kung titingnan ninyo, the first one is the cross and the Reaper is going to this. So, kumbaga, immediate action for this because this is danger. Kumbaga, makakasama to sa'yo yung burden na to is kumbaga nakakasama sa iyo eh. Siya yung source ng suffering mo. Dahil nawawalan ka ng gana. Yes, I also feel sa career to because of this dito yung dalawa, may Capricorn dito. So I really feel one of the source of this burden is about your career, and the Reaper wants to warn you. This is, sabihin natin, harmful sa'yo. With this Reaper cards also gives you warning because of the severe ties or harmful ties na ito ngayon yung suffering, yung burden na kumbaga nararamdaman mo araw-araw, at habang tumatagal na ikaw ay tali dito, kumbaga hindi siya nagdudulot ng maganda sa'yo. Mawawalan at mawawalan ka ng gana sa'yo at sa paligid. And also, I also feel na itong gossipers, if you are related to 3 gossipers, I also feel na andyan at andyan sila. Okay ha, I also see the gossipers here are your friends. Okay? Because of these birds. The 3 birds, kung makikita nyo, birds sila kung mag-a-appear dito sa first card natin with the cross, but they are the hawk dito sa Reaper. So in other words, tinitingnan ka ng mga ito, sinusubaybayan kanila, they are friends. They are your friends. Friend mo silang makikita, pero at the same time, minomonitor ka ng mga ito. And yun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko, you have to, and this is danger, okay? This is danger. You have to cut ties. Kumbaga, this is warning, okay? Warning. Spirits giving you warning, okay? Papunta siya sa'yo, and kumbaga, if you feel if you feel burdened and uninspired, I also see na kailangan is hindi yun ang project mo. Okay, spirits wants you to project something inspired being. Kasi iyon yung iminomonitor sa iyo ng mga gossipers na nasa paligid mo. Yung pagiging parang walang gana, yung kumbaga magmukha kang nagsasuffer because of some situation na parang sa'yo pinaburden, and parang sa'yo pinag-take na responsibility na kahit hindi ikaw ang may responsibilidad sa bagay na yon, kumbaga sa'yo siya itinuro or sa'yo siya sinisi at the same time. Okay, so spirits wants to give you warning about this, na you don't have to project those things. You don't have to project your personal conviction regarding with that. Kumbaga, ginaslight ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo, and they want to see you guilty about that. Okay? They want to see you guilty about that. Iyon yung iniintay nila, my loves. Iyon yung iniintay nilang makita mo para magmukha silang tama. Okay? And I also feel na kagaya na sinabi ko, nakaabang siya sa'yo, and nakaabang itong mga to. Yes, the tree. I also see the tree. Ayan, nandito din sa cards natin, the tree. And you have to be careful with this, kasi kumbaga yung reaction mo sa mga bagay-bagay, yung iniintay ng tatlong yung mga nakaabang sa'yo. Okay? And I also see na you have to reflect, you have to see these people, you have to be careful about these people, kung ano yung ipoproject mo sa kanila. Kasi hahanapan kanila ng reason na kumbaga tama sila doon sa conviction na naging sangkot ka before. Oh, yes. And the good thing here is spirits want you to gain your power, your strength, and also they want to project your leadership with this, the Bear card. Kung papansin nyo, ito, yung dalawang to, si Reaper, maganda yung ano niya dito eh. we can consider this as the warning from spirits na hindi mo kailangan ipagpatuloy itong projection ng suffering and burden. And sabihin natin yung self-conviction nga kanina. Kasi, yun yung iniintay ng mga hawk na to or yung mga crow na to. Yung mga nagsisimbolize as the gossipers in your life. And remember, even na marami kang friends sa yung workplace, merong 3 gossipers na inaakala mo kaibigan mo, pero nakasubaybay pala sa'yo. Okay? Nakasubaybay pala sa'yo. 3 siya. I strongly feel na 3 to. They are birds in front of you, but at the same time, their mission is to monitor you. To monitor your action, to monitor your next action and movement. Okay, but spirits want you. Ito may 6 na naman. Okay? Dito sa bear card, meron na naman 6. So, I also feel na mag-ingat sa mga magiging actions mo sa mga susunod na araw because I strongly feel the warning here. Mag-ingat sa mga magiging projection mo. May tendency na itong mga crow na to ay susubukan ng iyong reaction at pag nagkamali ka ng isang reaction, kumbaga, magse-celebrate sila. Okay? And yung reaction na yun, isa sa kailangan mong iwasan is this suffering. Kung ikaw, my collectives are feeling burdened. Okay? Sabihin natin, para pinapakita mo na nahihirapan ka sa yung work, sa yung task, or sa yung life. Spirits want you to know or to do is to cut this energy off. Kailangan baguhin mo yun and i-transmute dito sa power card natin, sa leadership card. Ipakita mo yung leadership, my loves. Kasi may nag-aabang ng mga actions mo when it comes to your workplace. If you really feel alone, and sabihin natin outcast, I also feel na meron dito na sabihin natin, di ba nga, parang may isinisi sa'yo, may mga bagay na isinisi sa'yo. I also feel na, yun nga, nafe-feel mo na alone ka with this bear. But always remember, spirits want you to know na you are not alone with this bear card. Kung titingnan natin, kumbaga, hug siya ng bear, you are strongly protected by your angels and guides and spiritual team with these orbs, with these lights. Okay? All you have to do is to cut this energy off, this suffering and burden. Alam mo kung ano ang totoo. Alam mo na wala kang kasalanan kahit kanino. Okay? Because kasi, kumbaga, dala-dala mo siya eh. And yung reaction mo sa mga bagay-bagay is, kumbaga, nagiging fuel ng mga nakatutok sa'yo, na nagmamonitor sa'yo. Okay? You have to empower, you have to take back your power, you have to take back your strength, and you have to exhibit your leadership, my love, sa iyong career. Kung ano man yan, kasabihin mo wala kang chance sa leadership or kahit nasaan ka mang position right now, you have to do your work. Kung ano yung task na ibinigay sa'yo, you have to do that. Kailangan mo ipakita, i-exhibit kung ano yung kakayanan mo, my loves. Kailangan mo ipakita sa kanila yung power mo. Kasi, kumbaga, dito kasi sa crown na to, tinitingnan nila, hinahanap nila yung pwede mo maging kahinaan, hinahanap nila yung guilt. I also feel na naghahanap sila ng guilt from you na, kumbaga, wala ka naman dapat ika-guilt. Or i-project na pagiging guilty. Pero, my loves, kahit hindi ganun yung pinoproject mo, with this burden and suffering card, I also feel na iyon yung gusto nilang ibigay na meaning doon or kahulugan. That's why spirits warn you na cut this energy off. Gain your power back, my loves. Kung ikaw man ay nagsasuffer right now because of this situation, alam mo kung ano ang totoo, you have to take back your power. Kailangan mo ipakita yung strength mo sa mga nag-aabang sa'yo, sa mga crow na to. Okay, let's pull another card for this supporting energy. Wish fulfillment. Okay. Toxic energies. Okay, maaaring pati ikaw naguguluhan sa mga bagay-bagay, but the spirits want to give you more clarity about this. Okay, mental clarity about this. They will help you to see the truth. And also, they will give you wish fulfillment, my loves, with the 9 of Cups. From this suffering and burden, pag ito ay kumbaga nalagpasan mo, my loves, or nagawa mo i-cut immediately. Kasi yun ang message dito, my loves. You have to cut this immediately. And your spirits wants to give you more and more support for your achievements. They are assuring you for more achievements, my loves. Okay? All you have to do is to trust them, to discipline your emotion, and to balance your, sabihin natin, your energies when it comes to emotion and action. Okay, you are surrounded by toxic energies. Also, the obsession with their power, or sabihin natin with their position. I also feel lots of competition in your workplace. The oppression also, and abusive. I also feel na, yun nga, this is the strong confirmation na ikaw ay surrounded by toxic energies. And also, abusive energies when it comes to envy. And the source of this is envy. Okay? And yung mga, kumbaga marami pang shadow self na kailangang i-heal. You are one of the victim of this environment. And my loves, I want you to know na, kumbaga, pinaproject nila sa inyo yung kanilang shadow self. And, yun nga, yung sinabi ko, abusive kanina, like for example is, I also feel na dito kasi hindi ka masyado, I feel the loner vibe here, or sabihin natin yung hindi masyadong politicians. Okay. The politician energy is yung maraming friends. Yun kasi yung terms doon. Yung maraming friends, yung maraming pinapakitang friends. Okay? So, I don't see your energy like that here. I feel na you are genuine when it comes to, sabihin natin, when it comes to friendship. So, kumbaga, kakaunti lang yung friends mo, and some of your friends are not friends. Okay? They are there for you because they, sabihin natin, i-monitor ka nila, they are envy of you, and sabihin natin, for some materialism, and, kumbaga, attachment na rin, na, dahil, pinaproject ka nila, they are your friends, kaya, kumbaga, entitlement. Okay? But, spirits wants to remind you na these toxic energies are your one of the task to cut ties. Okay? Kumbaga, ito yung kailangan mong iwasan. Ito yung kailangan mong, kasi urgent siya kailangan baguhin mo na. Okay? Hindi naman na umalis ka dyan. Kumbaga, huwag mo hayaan na maapektuhan ka ng toxic energies na to. Okay? Huwag mo hayaan na maapektuhan ka ng toxic energies na to, my loves. Kasi nandito siya sa strength card. Kaya mong overcome itong mga bagay-bagay na to. All you have to do is to have discipline. And eto, kasi nadadala ka, masyado ka nagsasuffer, spirits wants to remind you to head over heart. Okay? To have or to gain, to nurture your intellectual power. Okay, and also with this Kings of Swords, you have an authority with your life. You have an authority with your, kung ano man yung mga movements and actions mo when it comes to this situation. But the only thing is, you have to project your power and strength. Okay, wala kang ginawa ng kahit ano. You have to project your capability, your power, and strength. My loves. Okay. Let's pull another card for this. Okay, I also feel you are the children of stars. Okay, and yeah, for some of my collectives are empaths, star seeds. Also, I also feel na you are a very creative person but lack of flow. I also see that you are worth fighting for. You are worth fighting for, my loves. Okay? Since na this is career or sabihin natin, maaaring hindi ka paninindigan ng mga kaibigan na to. Sa environment mo, maaaring you deserve justice. You deserve justice. Okay? You are worth fighting for. Kumbaga, nung time na nandito ka sa conviction, walang sumama sa'yo. My loves, yes. Kumbaga, right? But spirits wants to remind you, you are worth fighting for. Hindi ka nag-iisa, marami kang kasama, my loves. And pwede natin sabihin, at least, that is blessings na ipinakita sa'yo na sa mga oras pala na ganun ay hindi mo pwedeng pagkatiwalaan yung mga taong inaakala mo birds or friends dito sa paligid mo. Okay, and after that event and sabihin natin yung issue na yon, andyan lang sila showing support but not genuine because all they want is to monitor you. Okay, let's pull message from the angels. Okay, ask your angels. Okay, communicate with your angels, my loves. And yes, is affirms yes. Kung ano man yung tanong mo sa yung angels, eto yung sagot nila. Ask your angels and is affirm yes. My loves, you are strongly protected right now. And kung ano man yung suffering, nagkukos ng suffering pa na yan, the spirits wants to give you more and more power. Take back your power. Maaaring nakalimutan mo kung sino ka talaga. But you are a children of stars. I also feel na nararanasan mo ito because you are not you are unique, okay? Hindi ka pangkaraniwan, kaya nararanasan mo to. You are not aligned with, sabihin natin, toxic environment na to. Kasi they are, sabihin natin, yung mga common energies na hindi pa handang mag-ascend, okay, ng energies nila into higher frequency. But always remember, you are worth fighting for. Okay? And para mas mag-guide ka ni angels and guides, unahin mo muna yung sarili mo. And kagaya ng sinabi ko, gain your mental clarity. Kasi isa sa mga source ng suffering na yan is masyado ka nagiging emotional, na hurt ka ng mga taong to. But unahin mo muna yung intellectual power mo, paano ka makakabangon ulit. Okay. And nangyari na ang nangyari, ang kailangang ipakita, wala kang kahit anong responsibilidad doon sa issue na yun. Okay. You also, spirits wants to help you by taking a walk para mas ma-unload mo itong mga burdens na to. Nourish your temple. I also feel na kailangan is mag-self-care ka through, sabihin natin, massage, through Reiki energy session, and ayan, pleasure. Kung ano yung makakapagbigay sa'yo ng kaginhawahan sa iyong katawan. Kasi you are burdened. Okay? You are burdened, my loves. Kumbaga, isa na sa nakakapagpabigat ng iyong dalahin na yan is your emotional. Sabihin natin, yung emotional and personal conviction. How can I, okay, so ask yourself, how can I be more kind to myself and offer more grace in this very moment? Okay, so that is your soul's action today. Look at yourself with grace filter. Okay, you are meant to be in this moment of your life. Release your inner critic, my loves. Kung wala kang ginawa or kailangan mo ma-release to. Kailangan mo nang i-cut off itong energy na suffering na to. You have to release this inner critic and fill in that hole with your soul's truth. That you are infinite, you are loved, and you are already there. Okay? Grow your self-love, my loves. And that's all for this reading. I am sending you lots of love and light. See you in my next one.